Speaking of the S Pen, the S Pen gonna be added more functionalities in 8, and the major functionality is that when you're pointing at a particular app on the Samsung Galaxy Note or on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and you click on the S Pen, that application actually opens. Hey, what's up guys, Mito here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed guys, go ahead and subscribe because there's a lot that is actually coming. So in this particular video I'm going to be speaking about the upcoming Unpacked event or the upcoming Samsung Unpacked event, and it's going to be taking place 4 days from now, or it's going to take place on 5th of August 2020. So the star attraction of that particular video is going to be the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and also there are going to be like other 4 items that are going to be reviewed in that particular event. So this particular event is going to take place online because of this coronavirus pandemic thing. So they're going to take place on samsung.com or maybe in their official Facebook account or in their official YouTube account, and I'm going to be following up on that particular live event, and yeah, so I'm going to come with a recap of that particular event, and I'm going to post it in this particular YouTube channel. So guys, go ahead and subscribe for more support for me, and I'm gonna be very appreciative. So guys, go ahead and subscribe. So in this particular video I'm gonna be speaking about what we are actually expecting from the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So guys, let's go ahead and let's get to know the specs of this particular star attraction, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let's get to know about that. So let's start with this controversy that is actually revolving this particular phone, and the controversy is actually on the chipset. For some region like the US, this one gonna come in the chipset of Snapdragon 865. Another region gonna come in the chipset which is actually Exynos 990. I don't know which chipset gonna come in Africa, but I think the Snapdragon 865 is gonna be the one that is actually dropping here in Africa. I love the Snapdragon chipset because I think the Snapdragon chipset is actually more powerful than the Exynos chipset, but I think the Exynos chipset is actually up to the task in this particular phone, and I think the Exynos 990 is a very powerful chipset too, just like other chipsets like the creamy chipset on Huawei phones. And there are rumors that the Exynos chipset has got an upgraded version of it at the moment, and there is Exynos 992 or 993, and in this particular phone the chipset that's gonna come in this particular phone gonna be the Exynos 990. I think phones are becoming big and big in each and every year in terms of display, and I think they should not stretch much on how screen can go on a phablet, because if it goes beyond 7 inches that phone gonna be a tablet. So on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, it has got a screen size of 6.9 inch screen, which is actually a very big screen, and also on the Samsung Galaxy Note it has got a screen size of 6.41 inches. Still on the display, this phone is gonna come with the OLED display, and I think OLED display is the best display out there, made in phones, or in laptops, in monitors, or also in TVs. I think OLED display is the best display, and it's gonna come in this particular phone, and it's not something new. So the refreshing rate in this particular phone is gonna be 60 Hz or 120 Hz on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and 120 Hz only on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So let's get to know about the storage and the gigs of RAM in these two particular phones. So on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, the gigs of RAM in this particular phone gonna be 8 gigs of RAM, and the storage gonna be 128 GB storage. And on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, it's gonna come with the 12 gigs of RAM and a storage of 256 GB storage, and also there are gonna be 16 gigs of RAM. That's a very huge RAM on a phone. So it's gonna come with the 16 gigs of RAM and a storage of 512 GB storage. I think that's a very huge storage in that particular phone. So let's get to know about the battery life in this particular phone. So, and the battery size on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, it's gonna be 4300 milliamperes, and on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra it's gonna be 4500 milliamperes. So because of the S Pen, that phone could be 5000 milliamperes, and because of the S Pen in that particular phone, that phone could be more than 4500 milliamperes. Speaking of the S Pen, the S Pen gonna be added more functionalities in 8, and the major functionality is that when you're pointing at a particular app on the Samsung Galaxy Note or the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and you click on the S Pen, that application actually opens. Let's talk about the cameras in these two notes. So on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, it's gonna have three cameras at the back. The first camera, the main camera, gonna be 12 megapixel. The telephoto camera gonna be 64 megapixel, and the ultra wide angle camera gonna be 12 megapixel. So the selfie camera gonna be a cathode selfie camera at the center, and it's gonna be 12 megapixel selfie camera. On the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, the main camera gonna be 108 megapixel camera, and also the other camera gonna be 12 megapixel telephoto camera. I think they have gone low because on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 it has got 64 megapixel on the telephoto camera, and on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 the telephoto camera has got 12 megapixel, and the ultra wide angle camera on the Samsung Galaxy 12 Ultra gonna be 12 megapixel. And the same thing on the Note 20 Ultra, you're gonna have a selfie camera, a cathode selfie camera, which actually gonna be 12 megapixel. So guys, this has been what we are actually expecting on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Note 20. So guys, if you like the video, give us a sub and we're gonna be very appreciative. So when this phone comes out, and when the actual specs of this particular phone when it comes out on the 5th of August 2020, I'm gonna review it again. So guys, go ahead and give us a sub, and thank you for watching, and as always the future with everyone. So catch you for the next one. Peace.